So today I'm going to be reviewing the FlyPod earbuds, and these earbuds, they come slick, very slick, comes handled like this in a case. And I love the fact that these earbuds, once you open it up, it looks like this. It has the amount of percentage that it has already been charged, which is absolutely wonderful. You get about 50 hours of listening time. The clarity is amazing, and let me just show you how really intricate it looks. So this is how slick it looks. It has like this chrome trimming on it, very advanced looking. Once you put the earbud back into the case like that, and you can close it. These ENOMIR earbuds, they're wireless, they're Bluetooth, and they give you a good listening pleasure. It has the LED display, power display over there. Of course, 50 hours of listening time. It has the carry case, which is amazing, and it's a smart touch screen. So once you take it out of the container, you have the charging areas right there. Very durable and very easy to carry along. And I'm gonna put it in my hairs to show you how beautiful it looks. I love that the structure has this cushioning thing right here to protect your hairs. Very flexible, and it's not a stiff cushion, and this contours into your hair really well. And I like the length of the earbud, that it's easy so that it doesn't fall off your hair. I hate it when my earbuds fall off my hair. That is just a no-no. It goes in so quickly, because there are some earbuds that once you put them in, it's so hard for them to go in, and this goes in so well. It's not moving. I can walk out with it, and I can hear very clearly. Make sure once you connect it with your phone, you can listen really clearly. The audio is spectacular, amazing. It's clearing. It's like a noise cancelling. I cannot hear much of anything. I can just hear the music that is blaring in my ear. This is a great gift for anyone that you want to share it with, a loved one. I love the fact that it charges really quickly. So it does have a TC fast charger in it. So once you open the compartment over here, that is where you see the charger. So your charger is right here. And I love the fact that you also have extra earbud casing in there, so you do have the extra one in there. So this is a great buy. Christmas is coming along, so this is a great buy, and I absolutely love it.